Good morning. In today's video, we are going to make a pineapple delight. So we'll get everything ready and we'll get started. While our oven heats up, our ingredients is going to be 1 box of yellow cake mix. We're going to use one 20-ounce can. You can use the chunk pineapple or smaller. Pineapple juice separated, but don't discard it because we will use it. Then we're going to have 1 can of cherry pie filling. We're going to drizzle sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to need 1 stick of melted butter. That's really all that's going to go in this. We're going to take our cake mix and I'm going to sift it just to make it lighter when I put it on over the top. Alright, our stove has been preheated. You're just going to smooth down the mound. You're not going to really press it in to the pineapple and cherry mixture. Now I don't actually have a set time for this to bake. I would probably say at least 30 minutes because you want it to turn golden brown. We're going to apply our melted butter, and this is all you want to do is just put it over the top. So that's our butter. Now our pineapple reserve liquid. We're not going to use all of this, but we just want to make sure we get some coating. Now what I will do also is just punch my fork down into it, and some of this will go ahead and seep down in. Okay, that's all I'm going to use. I don't want it to be overly wet when this comes out of the oven. Now, I'm going to take our sweetened condensed milk. I'm just going to drizzle. That is all we do. We will now put it into the oven at least 30 minutes like you would if you were baking a cake, but you do want it to turn golden brown. This is simple, and this is all there is to it. So we'll bake this and then we'll come back when it's finished. Pineapple Delight is baking, we are now going to take the rest of our condensed sweetened milk and we're going to turn it into some caramel. In the Instant Pot, it takes 40 minutes. So So you want to trivet inside of your pot. You're going to take the wrapper off of your can. You're going to take foil and you're going to cover the top of your can. This is so good. I love it with apples. I am using 2 cups of water in my Instant Pot. I'm going to set my condensed milk in the center. Then I'm going to take this and put it in the pot, and I'll take you along. I just need to take the pot first. So we have our condensed milk sitting in our Instant Pot. We are going to put the lid on. We will turn it on. We are going to do pressure, and it's going to be on high, and we are going to pressure this for 40 minutes. And then that's all you need to do. So we will go back and check our cake. Okay, my girls and I, our little chihuahuas, we've been outside and came back in. We did a quick release on our sweetened condensed milk. It's still pretty warm. The only other thing you want to do now is pour it out. And you're thinking, oh, it doesn't look like caramel, but it will. The color is right, and you can smell it. This is really all you do to it. Put it in the refrigerator, it thickens. And that's all there is to it. I just use my Instant Pot when I want to make it, and it's been perfect. But that's it, folks. That is all there is to making some caramel if you don't have any other.